Hey everyone, today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Momdas, Handmade Life, and Marie with Marie's DIY. It is the Recycled Glass Challenge, I believe is the name of it. Sorry. But I'm starting out with a mason jar that I had on hand. I'll also be using some of this jute twine as well as some black and white twine. And I will be using chalk paint, and the color of that chalk paint is maize. I did apply 2 coats, and the last coat I kind of dabbed it on because it was pulling the first coat off a little bit. And now I'll just wrap some of the jute twine around using hot glue to hold it in place, and then I'll go around that with the black and white twine. I'm also making a little black and white twine flower. It turned out okay. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. And now I'll just be using some of the fall florals that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I know it's still summer, but I am so ready for fall, guys, and the weather here today is great. It was like 63 this morning. Okay, so here it is, guys. Really cute, simple to do. I thought it turned out amazing for some early transitional decor from summer to fall. Thank you again, Momdas and Marie, for hosting this challenge today. I will link their channels below as well as the playlist. Please check it out and see what everyone else has come up with. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and thanks to those of you who are. See you in my next video.